Ramesh from second class. Good morning everyone. My name is Partosh. I am studying second B section. My academic name is Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. He is first Prime Minister of India. He is a teacher. On his birthday we celebrating Teachers Day. Thank you. AVP Arjun from
I am Hanuman. Jai Sri Ram. Position.
టీచరు చెప్తారు మేము తర్వాత నువ్వు కూడా